Jamaican men have their own way of supporting women. I used to be really insecure about my fupa, and I used to go out of my way to try and hide it. Winston turned to me and said, "Good pum pum deserves shelter." I said,
with a little belly hang over your jaws, me like it. Me not like it woman them with six pack like them a blood clot, man. You're alright with a little belly drop over your jaws. Me like them something there. Me like when little belly drop over jaws.
Let me tell you the maddest compliment I've ever received from a Jamaican man. I was sitting across from him, he was dreads, very handsome. He said, "I love your smile." And I was like, "Okay, thank you." He was like, "You know I like women with black gums." And I'm there.
Wagwan, me people. Welcome back to Seth Commentary. Today we are talking about something every Jamaican woman knows too well. Jamaican men and their compliments. These guys have taken sweet talk to a different planet. From creative one-liners to bold comments that will leave you confused but flattered at the same time. You are about to hear it all. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a flag if you have ever had a compliment that made you laugh till you cry.
Jamaican man are one of the most hilarious on planet Earth. Yeah? They have the most hilarious pick-up line, compliment. Tell me why a Jamaican man are gonna look upon a woman when I try compliment. When I try look at her and a compliment I tell her, I say, "Babes, you look good like when me I cross road." Brother, where to pull that out from?
Hi guys, so I'm just thinking, my brain does that sometimes. If it wasn't for societal standards and norms, I honestly think my soulmate would probably be a madman or a Rastaman or up on the roadside. Yeah.
But Danny, why would you say that?
Because, quick story time. Actually, before the story time, I have never walked, drive, stroll past a Rastaman on the roadside, or one madman, or one security guard without them complimenting me and making me feel better about myself and my day. So I was at a funeral, and say when funeral keep people linger by, because them always think food or something not good. No food never did at this time, but people just did linger about. Anyways, so I was walking out to the funeral and I walk on the road for go to the car. When I pass one Rasta man, him say, "Oh God." Hey, say it's that now. Him say, "Oh God. It look like heaven is on a holiday. The angels are loose." Why would I say that? Honestly, this one in particular, him definitely look like him not bed in about 2 months. But how sweet!
English, but I live in Australia.
Oh wow. You're pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good day, alright?
Oh, thank you. You too.
You don't need a chauffeur? Good. Alright, have a good one, yeah?
Bye. Bye.
At this point, we need to start one series about the things that Jamaican men say to me. Because tell me why when taxi man just see me and tell me say if him did have me, he would have put me down on him dress and dust me down every day. This next taxi man now is just like, "Baby, you look like you smell good." Yo, even if I'm trying not to answer, I'm still just off dead with laugh because the things that they say are so creative. And if you've ever traveled to America, you can attest to the fact that being in America, there are hardly any men who call to you as a woman. When you're in Jamaica, you can't go very far without men calling to you. Like Jamaican men have the most creative catchphrases. Them call to you in the most creative ways. Like all if you're not fat on them, you must have to laugh or something like that. Trust me.
Jamaicans will always be the most interesting people on this planet Earth. Today, a boy dissed me, but at the same time, he complimented me. Here's how. I took my son and his 2 friends to the park to ride. These boys were there setting up for play football. Them start make them goal posts, all of them things there. Ropes. Them start playing now. I was there for probably like an hour and a half before one of them kick the ball really close to the pin of them. I'm say, yo, what you wanna do, because one of these boys that was playing football said, ratted. You know, some of the things I want young girl. Motherfucker. I was just like, well, no. I'm a big woman. The man dissed me. But him compliment me at the same time. And I just have to take that. But that was funny. But yeah, I'm not a young girl, but I'm glad I still look like a young girl, so big up me.
Now listen, Jamaican men don't give normal compliments. They don't say you are beautiful. They say something like, baby, if loving you was work, me woulda never call in sick. Or the classic, me have to wear shades when me see ya, cause the glow too bright for me eyes. And if you think that's smooth, wait till you hear the ones that sound like riddles. Me, Sian cook. But if loving ya was food, me woulda full every day. That's poetry mixed with mischief. But the funny thing is, half the time they are not even trying hard. It's just how Jamaicans talk naturally. Compliments come out like freestyle lyrics. You will be walking past a group of men and hear, Empress, ya walk like happiness in a human form. Or the man at the shop who just drop, ya na regular, ya limited edition. Them have order ya special. And you can't even be mad. You laugh and keep walking. It's pure entertainment on the streets. Now some of these compliments turn into mini stand-up shows. One man sees a lady and says, me swear ya na walk, ya glide like breeze pon Sunday morning. Another say, me phone dead, but one look pon ya charge me spirit. How can you respond to that? Jamaican men got creativity in their DNA. And the best part, they say it with full confidence. Like it's the smoother line ever written. But beyond the jokes, you have here to meet. There is something charming about it. Even when the lines sound wild, it shows the confidence and humor that Jamaicans are known for. They make women feel noticed, appreciated, and sometimes too flattered to reply. Whether you are in Kingston, Montego Bay, or even abroad in Toronto or in London, the style never changes. That sweet talk follows you everywhere. It's like a whole art form passed down through generations. So let's settle it right now. Do Jamaican men have the best compliments in the world or nah? Drop your favorite line in the comments. The funniest, boldest, and or sweetest one you ever had. And ladies, if a Jamaican man ever told you something that made you blush or laugh, we want to hear that story too. Remember, it's all love, all vibes, and all laughter here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves Jamaican humor and culture. Respect and love, me people. Stay blessed, stay smiling. This is Seth Commentary signing out.